how do you fix a paper jam on your HP Smart Tank 6001? So if you got in that kind of a trouble, I'll show you a few different places where to check. The first place, okay, is to remove this drawer, this paper input drawer. You can actually remove it if you pull it completely. Now it's a bit hard with one hand. Let me do it. Okay, perfect. Set it aside and take a look right over here. You can push the printer slightly. Sometimes there is paper that gets stuck right where the roller is located, there. Sometimes the paper gets taken crooked and it gets stuck. So with your fingers, go ahead and remove any debris, any stuck paper that you may see over there. If everything was looking great, let me show you a second place where you can check for any paper jam. It's in the back of the printer. Right over here, you have this small door. Stick your finger and pull down. You're going to have access to different rollers, and again, there's a good chance that your paper got stuck over here. So take a look, and if everything is looking great, I have another place where you can check. Open the top lid, and for sure you're going to find some paper stuck here. If these print heads are not able to go left and right properly, you will get the paper jam error message. So take a look. Sometimes there could be some paper stuck right under the carriage. Sometimes it's over here, but overall simply remove the paper, close the lid, unplug the printer from the wall outlet to the power source, the way I just did it, plug it back and turn it on, and usually the error message will go away by itself. And this is about it. You won't have any issue. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment if this was a great video, or if you didn't like it, simply tell me why. I'm really curious, and I'll see you in the next video.